First, we got GRBF merch, Get Real Bass Fishing merch in the link in the description below. With that being said, I've been traveling a lot. I got some cool footage from an upstate trip. I'm going to Florida, or by the time you see this, I'll probably already be in Florida. I'm going somewhere else after that, and I have some other trips planned. I'm going to do a lot of really cool stuff, so be sure to subscribe if you're new. But I want to just give you guys an intro to where this video is going. I went upstate and I broke a rod, so I had to use an ultralight, so I switched up to, I'll let the video describe itself, but it's really beautiful footage, beautiful fish with the mountains in the background, gorgeous ultralight action. We caught some pike, bass, beautiful pumpkinseed, sunnies. Just watch the video. Anyway guys, if you're new, be sure to subscribe. You guys subscribed, alright? Check out this merch, it's in the description below. Everything that's in this video is in the description below as well. So let's begin the video. First off, we got there and it started to pour. After that, we realized it was cold in the house and we needed some light and needed some heat, so then it was pouring and raining, so I was like, hey, let's go film the water, because why not? So we got hungry, had to make some food in the shed, and that's what we did. Then we found wasps, and well, I'm allergic. So yeah, then food, because food is good. Thus, beginning our adventure on catching fish. Doggone cold. I caught my bass out here. No. Friggin' bit my frog. There's a loon right there. Popped out of nowhere. It'd be crazy if he goes after my bait. There he is. There we go. Dude, that's insane. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm going, maybe 3. 2.5, 3. Woo! That was a crazy fight. Nice. Cool. With a frog in there. Cold water frog fishing. Yeah. Yep. Choked it. I want to hold it. Beautiful fish. Oh, smooch and release. Is that a pike? Congrats. There you go.
Yeah, bring them, give me a pole and do it.
Well, yeah, they're big fish.
You have those flyer things on the back of your thing. Let me see, Paul. No.
Yeah, close to it.
Daddy, can you put on what you have?
This is the only one I have.
Cool. Cool. Trying to spin her now. There you slow. If you feel a hit, slow it down. There we go. Yep. Pike, probably. My camera won't turn on. No, it's just a big old bass. Holy crap. It's a big bass. All this time my camera was on. First cast with the spinner. Alright, so we're fishing a place up in upstate New York in the Adirondacks, and we were trying to catch pike, but instead I caught a big old bass that fought crazy, nothing like Long Island, the inline spinner. First cast. I didn't think my camera was on, so. Alright, there we go. Dude, these are long fish.
Yeah, they're not small.
No, it's a largemouth, just really long. Really thick, and a 2-pound body. Wow. No, right here. I cast it into the black though, out of the sand. Well, that was cool. The bass here don't fight like Long Island bass. They're like tougher. I guess because it's cold water. And that fish was super long. Really thought that was a pike because I saw the green flash, but it looked really long and it was fighting a whole lot harder. It hit a whole lot harder than bass do. That was cool. I was really hoping for that to be a pike. Throw it out, let it sink. Reel it in. There you go. You got a pike, bro. I think so. Is it a bass? Keep reeling. Keep the rod tip up. Walk to me. You got a pike. Don't bring it all the way up to the tip.
Well, I didn't.
Flip the bail. Flip the bail.
That's not a pike.
That's a pike.
Is it really?
Told you you'd catch the big ones.
Paulie, I had something biting mine.
A little Sunny. He's so cute and beautiful. Look at the colors on him. There we go. Another little guy. Oh my gosh, it was a 2-inch perch. Man, ultralight fishing, dude. That's fun. There we go.
Is that your 2-inch pickerel?
What?
No, that's not your 2-inch pickerel. I mean, fish.
2-inch Sunny. Not really. This guy's bigger than that. Look at the colors on these fish. That's why I switched up to an ultralight presentation. There we go. Oh. Another one. Look at them. Yeah.
Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it.
There we go. Nothing like mountain sunnies on ultralight everything. Look at that. One 32nd ounce jig head with a little piece of worm.
Yeah, Grace, I got a small one.
They're attacking the line.
Cool.
Paulie.
There we go. This one doesn't have as much blue. those are the Hunger Game thing.
Oh.
I can't imagine fighting a pike on this rod. I could catch sunnies all day in the mountain.
Oh yeah?
This is awesome. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I didn't even get to...
I'm gonna switch to something different.
No.
Huh?
No, keep using what you're using.
I'm having stuff attack it, but it's not actually the key.
There we go.
Same thing.
Nope, rock bass. There we go, a rock bass. You don't see those very often on YouTube. A very faded one though. Cool. So the bait I was using was a little 1/32 ounce jig head by Jawbone. It's Dick's Sporting Goods company, and it's pretty much just a little light jig with a little hook, and I put some worms on there, little tiny pieces of worms, and I just casted it out because the sunnies, they were just sitting around me. I would just see them. You could poke them with the little 4'6" rod. So I threw that out. They went after it, caught some fish. But what made it really cool was the fact that I was using a KastKing Sharky. This is a 1000, I believe, 1500 series, and this is a ultralight micrographic Shakespeare, micrographite Shakespeare, 4'6" ultralight. So this thing is tiny. You can fit it in the entire frame right here, and the bend on this rod is beautiful beyond belief. It's just crazy bend. Like, it can almost touch part of it. So sunnies fight beautifully. I had a rock bass, and this 4'6" ultralight in the mountains with 6-pound floral coat from KastKing was beautiful. It was one of those crazy fights that were like, I just wanna hold the rod. I just wanna hold the rod here and just watch it fight and just hold. It's cool. If you ever get bored with fishing, I highly recommend throwing some ultralight rods and 6-pound or smaller line and just catching some fish like that. Or throw some worms, little jig head, catch some sunnies, rock bass, crappie. I'm gonna be doing a lot of that in the upcoming videos, but I'm gonna stick to bass and pickerel and, you know, big fish. Maybe go for some saltwater, but just giving you guys a heads up because ultralight is pretty cool. Got some big trips planned, so hopefully I can catch some big fish or different fish that you haven't really seen on YouTube or a lot of on YouTube. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Stay real if you're new. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and check out the merch on the website. Alright guys, peace out. Have fun in the water. Really, just have fun. That's what it's about. Sweet tea.